Wheel Life Cycling here, guys. Wednesday, January 13th, guys. Took yesterday off. Today I did a pretty good ride. 45.5 miles, 3 hours, 6 minutes. Average speed is 14 miles an hour. Maximum was 37.1. Just giving you an update. I did 2,365 feet of climbing. 2,374 of descent. Cadence was 54 with 103 high. My heart rate was 147 to 180. Of course, that's that 14% grade going up Virginia City 6 Mile Canyon Road. It's pretty steep at the last 2 miles. 2,500 calories. The temperature, guys. It was a minimum of 53 degrees today. Can you believe that? January. The max temperature I got was 69. Can you believe it? That's because the sun was right on the computer, guys, because they have it right out front. Took a 9-minute siesta, talked to some friends up there, but that wasn't incorporated in my overall time. I mean, in my time. Overall time, it's in there. Let's see. You know, the buttons on the side of this Wahoo are pretty hard to push, guys. They really are. They're really tough. And I guess that's good. So I left at about 9 o'clock this morning. 45.5 miles, guys. So that's a good ride for Wednesday. And I don't know if I'll go tomorrow. It all depends on the weather. So that's the second day on the new tire. 80 miles already. So, and of course that new tire, if you're watching, you would know it's my Continental Gator Skin rear tire. Anyway, guys, I had my soup and a Polish sausage with some sauerkraut for lunch, and a snack of banana, some peanut butter. So I just wanted to update you guys. Wheel Life Cycling. It's a really nice area to cycle around. Actually, they say even, well, yeah, this area here out towards Dayton, Carson City, out to Silver Springs, Mark Twain, Mound House. It's actually a nice area, guys, in Virginia City, of course. That area there is beautiful. Excuse me. And if you're gonna retire soon, look for a house in Dayton, Nevada, guys, because it's a nice area to live. They got a sports bar down the road. They have golf course, and of course Carson City's close. Nice place to live, guys. Nice and quiet. Couple of high schools, churches, bars, restaurants. Not a whole bunch of restaurants. 2, 3, 4, about five different restaurants. And yeah, nice area to cycle. They have the roads out in that area like 6 feet on each side, specifically for bicycle riders. Pretty nice. Can't beat that, guys. So that's just an update on Wheel Life Cycling, guys. So not much to talk about other than it was a little cool, wasn't bad. I was dressed for it. I'm kind of tired. Maybe I'll take a nap. Retired life, guys. Love it. So we got, you know, a month or two before I can go out on some beautiful rides in the country. So We'll get back to you soon, guys. Thanks for watching Wheel Life Cycling. Talk to y'all later. Bye.